Well, hello, Walsh community. Happy Giving Tuesday. So, Giving Tuesday is a global day. I think it's National Global Day of Generosity, and we are observing it here today at Walsh. And we are just so excited to invite you to be part of it. This usually follows a time and a season where, we really want to invite everybody to be really generous, to open up and to say, what is the vision? What is the nonprofit? What is the organization that I really want to fund and fuel into the future? And I can think of no better one than Walsh College. When we think about, we've been here for 100 years and we have an incredible 100 years awaiting us. So I want to invite all of you in our community to join in Giving Day. Now, no amount is too small. And you're probably thinking, well, don't say that, right? Because then we'll give anything. You can give anything because it's not about the money. It's about being part of this incredible circle of generosity and giving and pouring in so that across the globe, we're all giving on Giving Tuesday. And how amazing would it be if we had 100% Walsh participation on this Giving Tuesday? I know that would be so incredible. So please check out the links and the posts that we're going to be putting on social media, and please consider giving something to this incredible mission of Walsh College. We are changing and transforming lives of our students and our alumni, and we are embarking on our next 100+ years. So Giving Tuesday, let's get this day started.